November 2022, and we have Puistokaari Parksvängen 9 staircase be here. It's here in Lauttasaari, close to Koivusaari, Björkholme metro station, and close to Kone and here in Helsinki has for Uusimaa, Finland, with 5 floors. We've just filmed the staircase C and D, and we'll also film the staircase A soon. This was built in 1959. Must have been finished in late 1959. The general stage 8192 turned 60 years old in 2019 with 5 floors, MP and 4 fixtures, and 8 served 3 rides here. It's going to be inspected in 2024. The capacity is 3 persons, 35 grams. Let's try it.
Dit var ikke vejskontent med den på skillet.
Strange.
Yeah.
Start right now.
Yeah.
I'll press it.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. Please watch the exercise C and D from D. Watch the floor and from
Yeah.
D to 4. Let's go to the staircase A.
That's